Okay, at the end of the previous video, we looked at the start of this question. Is this a cyclic quadrilateral? If these add to 180, it is. So yes. What type of parallelogram can be inscribed in a circle? Well, we look at, here's a circle. For it to be inscribed in it, it would have to all have straight sides. So you can see that's a radius, that's a radius, that's a radius, and that's a radius. We would have to have all 90-degree angles for a parallelogram to be inscribed in a circle, because these would have to add to 180. So therefore, it would have to be a square rectangle that could be inscribed in a circle. It couldn't be a parallelogram. It has to be, well, a parallelogram is a square is a parallelogram. So it would have to be right angles for question 5 here. Question 6, A and B. Okay, well, again, like I did a radius a second ago, here's a radius. Look, this is the same length as this. That really helps us in circle questions. That means that the angles at the end of those sides are the same length. So I have a 32 and a 32. So B is equal to 180 minus 32 minus 32. So 104/16. A is equal to half of that. A is equal to 116/2, which is 58. And that's all we have there. A and B. Yeah, A and B. Just A and B. Okay, and this one, again, this could help us here. That's going to be a B. A is equal to twice 44, 88. 2B is equal to 180 minus the 88 that's already in the triangle. So 2B is equal to 92, meaning B is 46 degrees. And the next one, where can we start here? We got a radius and the radius. So I've got a B in here. And this is a diameter. So this angle up here has to be 90, and we had a B in there. So B is equal to 90 minus 32, which is 60, 58. 2B is equal to 116. So A is equal to 180 minus 116, which is 64 degrees. Okay, the last one. Where can we start here? Well, okay, well, A, we have a 90. Both of these angles here are 90, so we've A is in a 90, a right angle triangle. So A is equal to 90 minus 60, or 180 minus 90 minus 60, which is 30 degrees. And similarly, B in here, that's a right angle. Now, the diameter will always bisect the chord, so this angle in here has to be 60. So again, B is going to be 32. Find A and B in this one. Okay, well, we have a 30, 20. So where can we start here? Well, we have a four-sided shape, so I could create two triangles, as you can see here, with one line. So all the angles inside here add to 360. What's this one here? This is 360 minus B. And we also have A. What's A equal to? A is equal to 3, well, A is equal to B over 2. We get A in terms of B, we could say A is equal to twice the angle B. That would get me down to one unknown, wouldn't it? So now I have four angles. I have 30 plus A, which is twice the angle B, plus 20 plus the 360 minus B, which we said this O was 360 minus the angle B. All of them have to add up to 360. So I've got 30 and 20 is 50 plus 360. I have 410 plus the angle B. I'm just saying I wrote A equals twice the angle B. A is the angle B over 2. So that's the angle B over 2. Apologies. I'll just write it out again. I'll just start it again. So we have 30 plus A, which is B over 2. I'll just write B over 2 plus 20 plus the angle that we started with, this one, which is 360 minus B. So we have 410 minus B over 2. So we have a full B and we have a half a B. So we've minus a half. That's equal to 360. So B over 2 is equal to 50 if I bring the 360 across. So B is 100, which means that A must be 50. So getting one angle in terms of the other angle here will help you do this question.